Hello everyone, welcome to Basics e-Learning. I am going to solve CBSE NCERT textbook for class 10 with a detailed explanation for all the chapters. And the second subsection in second problem, exercise 4.2 is like this. A cottage industry produces a certain number of toys in a day. The cost of production of each toy was found to be 55 minus the number of toys produced in a day. On a particular day, the total cost of production was 750 rupees. We would like to find out the number of toys produced on that day. Right. So what they have given, the cost of production of each toy, right? Cost of each toy, cost of one toy is equal to how much? 55 minus number of toys produced in one day. Let us say the number of toys be n. On a particular day, total cost means total cost of n number of toys, right? One day means they have produced, suppose say n number of toys, no? So that is equal to 750. Total n number of toys is 750. Cost of one toy is 55 minus n. Then cost of n toys will be n into 55 minus n, right? So that is equal to 750. So try to simplify the equation. 55n minus n square is equal to 750. Now this equation will be n square minus 55n. This also, if you bring it that side, actually this will become minus 750 is equal to 0. I am taking minus common. So plus 750 here it is equal to 0, right? So now you have to take the factors for 750 such that the sum or the difference between the factors is 55. So let us take that 750 here. Take it as 5, 1 and 25 means 550, right? Then again take it with 5, 3 5s, 115, right? 0. So now how much? 25 and 30, right? 25 and 30, sum is 55. So we can take it as 25 and 30. Now you write it as, split the middle term, minus 25 and minus 30 and plus 750 is equal to 0. Now take common from the first two terms and the second two terms. I am taking n common, n minus 25. Next minus 30 common, n minus 25 is equal to 0. So this can be written as n minus 30 is equal to 0 or n minus 25 is equal to 0. So n is equal to 30 or n is equal to 25. So the number of toys produced per day or on that day is n is equal to either 30 or 25. For more videos, please do like, share, subscribe to our channel. Let us know your suggestions and queries in the comment box. Thank you.